Today we are going to learn fifth problem in relation to final accounts of non-profit organization. Look at the question. Following is the receipts and payment account of a volleyball association for the year ended 31st December 2018. So they are following calendar year, not that financial year. So every year period ends on 31st December. So our current year is 2018. Our previous year is 2017. Our subsequent year is 2019. Receipts and payment account are given. 2 balance BD opening cash, 2 subscription received, it is a revenue receipt. Donations, as per the instruction of the textbook, we should treat donation as a revenue receipt. Match fund receipt is a income on specific fund, it goes to the liability side. Interest on fixed deposit is a revenue receipt. Miscellaneous receipt is a revenue receipt. Go to the payment side. Match expenses, revenue expenditure. Upkeep of pavilion is a revenue expenditure. Secretary honorarium, revenue expenditure. Balu bat purchase is a revenue expenditure. Grass seeds, revenue expenditure. Fixed deposit made, it is a capital expenditure, it will go to the asset side. Sundry expenses, revenue expenditure. Closing cash and closing bank goes to the closing balance sheet asset side. Then additional information is also given. On 1st January 2018, the association owned an investment worth 10,000. It is opening balance of investment. It will be recorded in the opening balance sheet as well as in the closing balance sheet. And premises and ground worth 40,000. It will be recorded in the opening balance sheet asset side and in the closing balance sheet asset side. Stock of ball bats. It is an opening stock of ball bats. It will be used in the calculation of ball bat consumed. Then subscription of 5,000 related to 2017 still due. So 5,000 worth of subscription related to 2017 till now not yet received. Okay. Subscription due for 2018 current year rupees 6,000. Okay. In this problem, opening capital fund is not given. We have to find opening capital fund. First we have to prepare opening balance sheet. Here our previous year ends on 31st December 2017, or we can say the period ends on 1st January 2018. Okay. Opening balance sheet as on 31st December 2017, or we can write 1st January 2018. We have to take information relating to the 2017. Okay. 2 balance BD cash is the opening cash recorded in the asset side. Its value 5,000. We have to take information relating to the 2017. Then subscription. 2017 outstanding subscription. So subscription outstanding in 2017 10,000. Then this subscription last year outstanding, this year received. Here subscription of 5,000 related to 2000 still due. This subscription last year outstanding till now not yet received. So overall last year outstanding was 15,000. So last year total outstanding 15,000, of which 10,000 received in the current year, 5,000 till now not yet received. Okay. Then no other item related to the 2017. Then go to the additional information. On 1st January 2018, the association owned the investment. It is a opening balance of investment. It will be recorded in the asset side. Its value 10,000. Then premises in the beginning, its value 40,000. Then opening stock of ball bats, stock of balls and bats, opening stock of ball bats rupees 5,000. Then last year subscription already included. Then the subscription related to the current year, so we will close the opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet total 75,000. So liability side no other items are found. So we can consider this one as capital fund, opening capital fund. Capital fund balancing figure. This opening capital fund transferred to the closing balance sheet liability side should be recorded in the inner column. Then we are going to solve the problem. Opening cash considered only for the preparation of opening balance sheet. Then 2 subscription is a revenue receipt. It will be recorded in the income side by subscription received. Totally how much we received? 70,000. 70,000, of which subscription outstanding in 2017, received in 2018. Last year outstanding, current year received how much? 10,000. We have to deduct. Then this is current year, we can leave it. This is subscription received in 2018 for 2019. Subscription received in 2018 for 2019. How much its value? 5,000. This subscription received in advance goes to the liability side. Subscription received in 2018 for 2019, its value 5,000. Then we have two adjustment in relation to the subscription. Subscription of 5,000 related to 2017 still due. Last year subscription still not yet received. It will go to the balance sheet asset side. Subscription outstanding in 2017 still due value 5,000, which means last year total outstanding 15,000, of which 10,000 received during the current year, 5,000 till now not yet received. Then one more adjustment we have for the subscription due for the current year. What we have to do? Add with the subscription outstanding in 2018, its value 6,000. Current year outstanding goes to the asset side. So subscription outstanding in 2018 rupees 6,000. Okay. Subscription received treatment over. Then donation, as per the instruction of the textbook, we should consider that one as revenue received. It will be recorded in the income side by donations. Value 40,000. Next, very important, match fund receipts. Here income on specific fund is given. We should treat it as a liability. Match fund receipts. Totally we received how much? 30,000. We should record in the inner column because we may have match expenses. Here match fund receipts is about 30,000. Our match expenses 25,000. We have to deduct from the match fund receipt minus match expenses rupees 25,000. Balance we should keep as match fund. Then interest on fixed deposit is a revenue receipt recorded in the income side, value 8,000 rupees. Then miscellaneous receipt recorded in the income side, since it is a revenue receipts, value 5,000. Then we'll move to the payment side. The first item is match expenses. The match expenses goes to the liability side, should be deducted from match fund receipts. Then we have upkeep of pavilion. It is a revenue expenditure recorded in the expenditure side. Upkeep of pavilion, its value 17,000. Then we have secretary honorarium. Rupees 18,000. Then balu bats. Since we have opening balance of balu bats, we have to find balu bats used or consumed. For that, formula is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. The item which is given in the payment side, that is balu bat purchased, 22,000. Opening stock and closing stock always given in the adjustment. Here opening stock of balu bat given, closing stock is not given. So opening stock we can record here. So no closing stock. If closing stock is given, we have to deduct and record in the asset side. Not given, so we can write there. Then we have grass seeds is a revenue expenditure. Grass seeds is a revenue expenditure recorded in the expenditure side, value 2,000. Then fixed deposit is a capital expenditure. Recorded in the asset side. Then Sundry expenses, the revenue expenditure recorded in the expenditure side. Sundry expenses recorded in the expenditure side, value 3000. Then we have closing cash and bank. It goes to the balance sheet asset side. Cash and bank. Cash value 7000. Bank value 6000. Then before closing income and expenditure account balance sheet, we have to go through the additional information. On 1st January 2018, the association owned an investment. The investment which should be recorded in the opening balance sheet asset side as well as in the closing balance sheet asset side, because the investment were not sold. Investment value how much? 10,000. Then premises and ground worth 40,000, not yet sold. Premises and grounds should be recorded in the opening balance sheet asset side as well as in the closing balance sheet asset side. Then subscription, opening stock of Ballybat, we can use opening stock of Ballybat only for the calculation of Ballybat used. For no other purpose, we need not to use that. Then subscription of 5,000 related to 2017 still due. What we have to do, it will be recorded in the closing balance sheet asset side. Subscription due for the current year 6,000. What we have to do, add with the subscription received in the income side, and it should be recorded in the asset side. Now I am going to close income and expenditure account. Here the income side exceeds expenditure. So income side total 1,14,000. 1,14,000. Then we have to deduct debit side value. We'll get surplus. Balancing figure. Excess of income over expenditure. So debit side total value 67. So our surplus is 47,000. This surplus should be added with the capital fund. Surplus should be added with the capital fund. So our balance sheet total is 1,32,000. 1,32,000. Students, we completed final accounts in relation to the non-profit organization. In next class, we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.